My name is Lisa.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 1. My name is Shay.
My name is Serena.
And I'm Malia. How do you feel about episode 1? I know I'm excited.
I'm pretty excited too. I can't wait to hear about what everyone did this summer.
Yeah, I'm super excited too. It's just been hard around my phone. But at least I have you guys.
Yeah, it's been pretty rough without our phones, but at least it's our senior year, our last year.
Yes, senior year, finally here. Shout out to class of 2026. Now let's hear what you guys did this summer.
I'm Haley,
And I'm Cece,
and we want to hear what you did this summer.
Who am I here with, and how was your summer?
My name is Carlos, and this summer I went to Camelback with my family and went on a lot of water slides.
BB.
Liddy.
What'd you guys do this summer?
I went on a helicopter in New Jersey.
Oh my goodness, how was that? What was your favorite view?
My favorite view, okay, well, I was scared at first, and yeah, I didn't have any favorite view, only because of the beach, and yeah, that's it.
That sounds nice. What'd you do this summer?
I went to the Dominican Republic.
Ooh, are you from there?
Yes.
What part?
Santiago.
Me too.
My name is Leah, and I went to Puerto Rico this summer.
Did you have fun? What's your favorite memory from there?
I went to the pool, and I kind of almost drowned in my cousin, so that was like kind of a memory.
Now, let's talk about that cell phone ban.
There's positives, there's negatives. Like, I focus better in class, but I can't get in contact with nobody.
Yeah, I can see how the policy would be beneficial, but can a girl check the time?
At least this is our last year, and we won't be dealing with this in college or trade.
Yeah, but I wonder how the kids graduating after feel about it.
Daniela spoke to some students. Let's hear what they said.
Hi, my name is Daniela.
And my name is Alyssa.
This school year, the whole New York State puts into effect the phone ban.
And today we're interviewing students to hear their opinion.
What is your opinion on the phone ban?
I believe it's like 50-50. It has its pros and cons, but I feel like we have to go through it to understand how it really is. So, because some students might like appreciate it and like get positive benefits from it, but others might get boredom or just feel like they don't want to stay at school because they can't, socialize on their phones like they normally do.
What's your opinion on the phone ban?
I think currently the phone ban's effective, but eventually it's not going to be as effective. Just because people are finding ways to open the pouches and just finding ways to get rid of their boredom.
I'm here with.
Riley. Travis.
Okay, I want to know what's your opinion on the phone ban.
My opinion on the phone ban, I feel like I'm getting bored as the days go, but it's kind of working because it's less of a distraction, and I feel like I'm learning more in class.
My opinion is it's working for now, but later on, people are going to find ways to, be rebellious.
I feel like the phone ban is like the school's kind of quick solution to help students focus when in reality they're just making them sneakier and better liars. I don't know how they don't think people try to get around this ban, and it's really just making things overcomplicated for everyone.
Andy.
And what's your opinion on the phone ban?
I think it's a good thing for the school because sometimes we need to pay attention to class. And sometimes it takes a lot of time from us from paying attention and getting good grades. So I think it's a good thing.
Hi, I'm here with.
Melanie.
What's your opinion on the phone ban?
I feel like it's useful, but it's also not because I'm not able to communicate with my friends as much.
September is Suicide Prevention Month, and our Lisa Kelly has a story.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm Naomi. And according to ASFP.org, in 2023, suicide was the second leading cause of death in the USA.
If you are an Richmond student, need someone to talk to, you can go to the Wellness Center in room 138, or please call 988, the National Suicide Awareness Hotline. Back to you, ladies.
Here at Richmond Hill High School, a lot of sports start during September. Let's take a look.
I'm Romer. And I'm Jaden. Here are your 2025 sports update.
Let's dive into how our Lions are doing and who they're taking on next.
The boys varsity bowling team currently stands at a 1-3 record, with their most recent game being against Franklin K. Lane. As for the girls, they hold a record of 3-2 over the course of September. Make sure to tune into their next game on September 29th at Bowling 360.
It's a tough season for the boys soccer team as they work to turn their season around against Metropolitan Campus. The girls soccer team is off to a strong start with 4 wins and 0 losses. I know, that's a little crazy, right? Their last game, they won 3-1 against Springfield Gardens.
Hey, I'm Rainy, and I'm here with
Maya.
Maya. How do you feel about the start of the volleyball season so
I
far?
feel very hopeful and very positive.
That's good, and I can tell you're very positive about it. 12 aces, 7 service points, and 30 assists. How do you feel about your performance so far this season?
I'm so happy about it. I can't believe I'm doing this good.
That's great, and I can tell your teammates are also very excited about it too. How do you describe the team's chemistry this year?
We're like a family. I love them. They love me. We all love each other. We're family.
That's great. Thank you.
So, how do we feel about episode 1?
I feel good. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I think it went pretty smooth.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. It was good.
Well, I guess that's a wrap.
Bye. Cut.
Finally.
Oh my god. If I have to film another take, I'm done.